locked, decided to never talk. I'm so sorry for your loss. I feel so much lighter, like a feather with you off my